In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the sky in CapCut. By the end, you'll be able to swap a dull sky with something dramatic and cleanly blended, all inside CapCut, using a simple mask and a few smart adjustments. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Load the footage that has the original sky you want to replace. This will be your base clip. If you're editing for a specific platform, set your aspect ratio first so you don't have to reframe later. Give the base clip a quick playback to note where the horizon sits and how much the camera moves. This will guide your masking. Next, add your second video, which will be the new sky. Ideally, use a sky clip that matches the mood and lighting of your scene. Golden hour footage for warm scenes, cooler skies for midday looks. Try to use similar resolution and frame rate so it blends well. If the sky clip is shorter, you can duplicate it or slow it slightly so it covers the full length of the base shot. Now, place the sky clip as an overlay. Position it on the timeline above your base footage so you can mask it into view. Make sure the sky layer fills the frame and aligns roughly with where the real sky would be. If needed, scale or reposition it so the clouds and horizon feel natural. Select the sky overlay and open the mask tool. This is where the magic happens. You'll use a simple line-based mask to separate the sky from the foreground. Choose the split mask and rotate the dividing line so it follows your horizon or roof lines. Drag the line up or down until the new sky appears in the upper portion of the frame. Increase the feather amount to soften the edge, enough to hide the transition without washing out details. A moderate feather usually looks most realistic. Make any needed adjustments. Nudge the mask angle to match hills or buildings, and fine-tune feathering to avoid halos. Reposition or scale the sky so clouds sit naturally and don't clip the frame. If the base shot is bright, raise the sky's exposure or highlights slightly. If it's moody, lower saturation or warm up the temperature. For handheld footage, add a few keyframes to the mask position so it tracks the horizon as the camera moves. A touch of blur on the sky clip can also help it match the lens look of your base footage. Play it back, refine the edge, and once it feels seamless, you've successfully replaced the sky in CapCut.